All right, let's talk about the deal loss agent. This analyzes your deals that are lost. And what I like about it does take a bit of time to run. It generally will look at the first 50 deals. So like I would say, depending on your deal volume, think about how often you run this, you potentially run it. It'll tell you when it's running it for. Like I generally have been testing it on, tell me about the whole year, but then it'll tell me, oh, it's only looking at the first 50 plus closed lost deals. Now, what's nice about this, it's looking at all the data in HubSpot with the deal, with the contact, with the activity, etc. Right? So you're probably saying there is structured and there is unstructured data in here in terms of what's going on. And so it produces a really nice report. It's got an executive summary. It's got some thematic trends. It's got some sort of supporting data and examples, which was also really cool. Also giving you some sort of recommended action. So a few of our customers, because they sell products, right? And they sell higher end products. What a lot of their deal loss agents were feeding back to us or feeding back to them was like there was this mismatch in their sales process of what the cost was versus the expectation. So I don't think that they had addressed that. Oh, I'm not just using a middle of the road product. I'm going to use the best product for this, right? And so then people get the quote and they're like, oh, this is outside of my budget. So what that has enabled us to do is go, okay, so we need to actually now think about how do we educate people that we're not playing at this level, but we're playing at this level here. And how do we explain to them the differences so that they know that the product that they're buying and the service that they're buying from us is not the same as the other one that they're comparing it to. So it's been really useful in just understanding that and then framing things earlier in the process, especially with sales, framing that with the customer or even us producing content that is educating the customer of what the differences are.
That's really nice. Yeah. And we covered that. By the way, you might think, oh, is that just a sales tool? Can include marketing process as well. And we chatted about that last episode.
Absolutely.